Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to this channel called Butterfly Killer, and a very happy Independence Day to all of you guys. So I'm basically from Hyderabad, and we have a BMW GS310 here. So I think I'm a little bit early for a ride. Just wanted to show you around. It's almost, I think, 11 o'clock. There's too much traffic on the road, so I thought it'll be empty. Let's see how it goes. So the whole city is lit up today, and people are out. It's a little bit uncomfortable to drive such a big bike. Not such a big bike, like you enjoy it better when you know, when the roads are empty and when Activas are not on the middle of the road. Yeah, so we have this good thing called Tangband here. It's a huge lake which has been there for a long time, and we have Buddha here, really lit up, and we have our secretariat right in front of us. Not secretariat, but it's a municipality building. It's all lit up today. Um, it's one of the most happening roads, at least in terms of public wise. There are many icons around which we can see. लेकिन अभी थोड़ा रात हो गया है, so I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. And this is the first time I put camera to my mount, and let's see how it goes. I don't think the camera it's in 4K, so hope it records a little more minutes. The buildings look really nice, and we have Activas again without helmet. So हर एक आदमी जो बाइक चलाता है बाइकर नहीं होता है. Riding, with great riding comes great responsibility, and riding is an art, riding is a discipline. I've been riding for about 10 years now, and I still learn so many things on a daily basis, or weekends whenever I go out for a long drive. So there are many rules as such people don't even know. There's even a fine, at least in the Telangana RTO. Even if you don't put the helmet strap, we have a fine over here. So that's that. More actors. So I'm not wearing all of my gear today. So yeah, I thought it's only a city ride and for a couple of minutes. But of course, every time I put up the camera, there's a different kind of adrenaline which comes in. So I think everything is it's a learning process. Once you feel that people are watching you, you start behaving in a different way. And yeah, this is our assembly building. It's a really beautiful building, even without the lights. So it's been here. It's the center of. It's a very big icon, and yeah, I hope you can see that. It's all lit up today. Beautiful. एक सौ पाँच. Oh, we have a great rider here. We have a dog. Yeah, beautiful dog riding. I think that's the beauty of riding, that even animals love it. And I hope you can see that guy and how the dog is like going bonkers. And that's that. But yeah. This is another very famous road, part of Mexico, called Mexico. That's the flag. Beautiful, huge national flag. And it is so nice. Lit, lit madness, lit. Okay guys, I think we're coming to an end, so hope to go to some more places. And I did do a lot of places, but I didn't have the camera back then. So hope you like this video and keep looking for more. And this page is about a lot of different passions which I developed over the years, and I hope you guys will like it and get inspired by it. So that's that. Have a great year ahead. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Have a safe day. Have a safe year ahead. Take care. Bye bye.